Hello, today I'm going to show you how to assemble this picnic basket. It's quite simple. All we're going to do is make folds backwards on these lines, and then these tabs are going to be glued along. So I recommend using a ruler. That just makes it easier for you to line everything up and make a nice crease on. For these tab parts, I'm just going to use my hands. And you want to make sure that you have a nice firm crease on all of your folds. Alright, so then the picnic basket folds up like so once you have the tabs in. And we're just going to go in and glue the tabs. And then you can attach the handles along like so. You can use one if you'd like, or two. Alternatively, you could also stick a brad nail in to make it movable if you wanted. I'm going to go ahead and put on my gloves. All right, we are going to use paper cement. It is recommended that you put a piece of paper down so you don't have any spills. It's also recommended that you wear gloves. When you open up the bottle, it is very goopy, so you want to make sure and wipe off the excess. You also don't need a whole lot. All right, so I'm just going to come in and lightly paint on this tab. The other tab here. And then line up the edges and hold and press for about 10 seconds or so. All right, and then we repeat on the other side. Hold and press for about 10 seconds. All right, then you've got a little base. Put glue on maybe an inch or so on each side. You want to try and get it lined up in the middle. Press and hold for 10 seconds. Now you have a cute little basket that you can put things in.